Hello everyone, this is Soumik Mukherjee from Jaipuria School, and today we are going to discuss that how can we convert a multiple images into a single PDF. Okay, this video is actually created for the purpose of sending PDF instead of multiple images. Okay, this video is basically for the teachers and the students. So let's learn that how can we create it, how can we convert it, multiple images to a single PDF. Okay, so first of all we need to download one application. If you are using mobile phone, then you need to download one application, and for that you have to go to your Play Store. In the Play Store you have to write down PDF Maker, and lots of PDF Maker options are available. Okay, so you need to download this particular PDF Maker application. Okay, you may also download lots of PDF Maker options are there, but I prefer this particular PDF Maker. The rating is 4.2 and it is 11 MB. Okay, so let's download. Click on this and there's an installation option, so click on the install. Click on the install option and it will install. So it is a very less amount of MB, so you can download this very quickly. It is depend upon your internet connectivity, that how quick you can download your PDF Maker application. So now we can see that our PDF Maker is downloaded. Where it is? This one, PDF Maker. It is downloaded. And now what we can do, just click on this PDF Maker and this Maker will open. Now the process is you need to select multiple images. Okay, so first this type of dialog box will be appeared, so you need to allow. Okay, the allow PDF Maker to take pictures and record videos, it is also, you have to allow this. Okay, and then you just click on the continue button. Okay, now you can see there is three options: photo to PDF, doc to PDF, and created PDFs. Okay, so what you have to go in this particular option, photo to PDF. If there is a document like Word, so you need to choose this, but today we are going to discuss about this particular topic. Okay, so first we are going to click on this. Okay, then the very first option is select images. You can see select images. Okay, so you need to click on this select images and then your gallery will open. Now you need to choose multiple images like this one, this, and this. Okay, and then you need to click on the apply at the very last. Okay, click on the apply at the very end, and what you can see that there is an option select images again and make PDF. Okay, so click on the make PDF, this option. Click on the make PDF. Okay, so I'm going to click on the make PDF. Okay, now it will ask the file name, what name you prefer. So you can enter any kind of name, like what, like this is the paper, suppose this is a paper. Okay, so click on the paper and click OK. Okay, and now it is created, and very frequently it is created. Okay, there is an ad, you have to delete this, cross this, and you can see the open PDF option is there. Open PDF, where it is, one is open PDF and second one is share PDF. You can check your PDF by clicking on this open PDF, and if you want to share, you just click on the share PDF. Which option? Share PDF. Okay, so I'm going to click on the share PDF option. Click on the share PDF. Okay, now which medium you want, either you can share me option, there is a WhatsApp option. Okay, you can also share with a Gmail, you can also share with a Google Drive, lots of options are there. Okay, so it is depend upon you what platform you can share. So I choose a WhatsApp. So click on the WhatsApp option, and then you can select the WhatsApp, and whatever to whom you have to send, just click. Like I have to send myself, and click on it and click on the go button. And what I can see paper.pdf file is sending. Okay, only 3-4 images are there, and it will create it, it will convert it to a PDF. Okay, you can also click on this, okay, and select the PDF viewer, and you can also see, look, this is the first image, okay, this is the second image, and this is the third image, okay, and it was fourth and fifth. Whatever the images you can select up to lots of image you can select. Okay, there is no criteria that there should be a limit. Okay, 10, 20, 50, whatever the image you can select, and you can just see it. If it is perfect, then you can share. Like I can send, and you can see it is sent. Okay, so hope you understand, hope you enjoy this video, and hope you aware about that how can we create a PDF with the help of PDF Maker. Okay, thank you so much.